Hey guys, welcome back to the Ron Williams YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to meet one of my friends and also one of my mentors. This guy is a millionaire who makes others millionaires. He duplicates himself, and that's a lot of what I think we should do. He is a champion, and we're going to award him today as the Coach of the Year and induct him into the Ron Williams Champion Life Hall of Fame. Let's go meet him. Great to see you, man. First of all, I want to say to you how much I appreciate you for your influence in my life.
Thanks, man.
But I just wanted to ask you a few questions. And one is, many years ago, I used to think that coaching was something that only certain people did. And because they didn't have it all upstairs or something, they were missing something. And I learned different. So, because I personally am a coach now, but for many years I didn't think that was necessary. What would you say to someone else that thought the way I did?
To me, coaching and strategy is the same thing. So hiring a strategist is hiring a co-pilot who can see your blind spots. So if you're going down the road, there's certain blind spots physically you can't see. So no matter what level of success you have, having a co-pilot, someone say, hey, a little bit to the left, just 2 degrees to the left, hey, 2 millimeters to the right. That will absolutely accentuate someone's distance from success and failure and shorten that so that they can have what they want and get in that next level a lot quicker.
You know what, that's one of the things that I learned, and I really learned it before I even hired a coach. I remember boxing for the military. I had a coach who was a coach and a trainer who was a boxer, who was extremely good. He had already taken all the punches and learned how to punch, but now he's on the outside of the ring watching me, and he's able to see, you know, where I'm missing it, where the opponent is getting in, and he can instruct me and navigate me through. And when I listened, I could win that fight.
Every time. Think of it like parenting, for example. A parent's a coach, a strategist, a mentor. You cannot raise a kid without parenting. So why do we think that when we hit 20 or 25, we leave home, we have no one to parent us, no one to mentor us, no one to show us that next level? We're like, oh, hey, I got my degree. Hey, I'm successful. Well, to that level you are. Yeah. But if you want to go here, 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 here. I was reading a book the other day, and it was the gentleman who started Google. And someone was asking, well, how do you be a billionaire? He said, very easy. Solve $1 billion problem. So it kind of just that one line stretched me. So from the strategists that I've hired, I have been stretched. Just like you feel like you're being ripped apart sometimes, but as you come back together like a muscle, as you well know, it gets stronger. So when you get challenged on your beliefs, when you get challenged on your business strategy by someone who's done it, like the boxing coach, so many times, the shortcuts are just there. Like you get there so much quicker.
Now, I know at least 5 people that you have coached, and they attribute their millionaire success to you.
They owe me some royalties then. I want my money. I want some money.
Well, they've actually said because of Woody, he has changed my mindset and helped me to see myself being a millionaire and put together some strategies that would help me get there. So I am a mindset person. How important would you say that mindset is in this game?
It's everything. And I don't say that lightly. It is every single thing. Yeah. I've read over 1,000 biographies. I personally have interviewed over 2,500 people. My website has interviewed tens of thousands of people. And I can attribute every success, any success, originally to the mindset they had when they started. Because without the mindset, you can't create anything physically until you create it mentally and spiritually first.
Right. So
if you can't see that destination, you're never going to get there. You can't hit a target you cannot see. So all of my strategies sessions, they always start with mindset. And I know that you and I actually have similar, we actually have some clients who are exactly the same. And they've hired you for one area, but they've all come to me and say, the thing that Ron has helped me with the most is my mindset.
Wow.
I mean, you're a world champion. You have one of the greatest accolades of anybody. That only got you there because of mindset. It wasn't just being in the gym, it was the mindset to get in the gym. It was the mindset for the food that you ate, it was the mindset for the way that you posed, it was the mindset for the strategies you took. So to me, without mindset and really focusing on it, nothing else matters. I mean, I can give you all the business strategies you want, but if you don't have the mindset to implement them,
that's right,
you won't do it.
Yeah. I remember a conversation I had with a fellow bodybuilder. He said, what does it take to be Mr. Universe? And I said to him, I said, I can tell you all the secrets, I can tell you everything I do, and I'm not afraid that you'll beat me because you're not willing to do what I'm willing to do.
Yeah.
So that's absolutely perfect what you just said there.
I have clients who will, you want to hire me to make more money, earn more money, and so forth. And I never talk about money in the first 3 sessions. And like, when are we going to start talking about business strategies? I said, I can give you business strategies up the wazoo, but you won't use them. You won't implement them. You'll say, oh, I already knew that. But you obviously didn't use it, so it was useless to you. So those first 3 sessions, I break down the way that they think, the way they act, their habits, what makes them emotional, what triggers them emotionally, because that's part of your mindset. A thing I've been doing a lot lately is emotional decisions versus business decisions. A lot of people make very bad business decisions emotionally. Very few people make good business decisions consciously. So I've been really shifting on what's causing you to think emotionally the way that you do. Why are you reacting emotionally? Let's look at business. And most people are like, oh, no, I make great business decisions. Like, no, you don't. Let's look at your bank account. Let's look at your schedule. Let's look at your time. We can track numbers and show you do not make good business decisions.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That is awesome. One thing I've learned also, Woody, is that for me personally, I see better with my eyes closed than I do with my eyes open.
Okay, expound on that because I like where you're going with it. I know you got something up there. What do you mean by that?
The first step I think it is to success is first having a thought, and then starting to believe that thought, and then being able to close your eyes and seeing the manifestation in your mind's eye before you ever start the process. So I can see myself on stage winning. And then once I see that, I back into it.
Reverse engineer it.
So I think with what you did for me, one of the things you did is you said something to me, and I'll never forget it, and it changed my life forever. When you said to me, when you speak, you're going to make $100,000, and I'm going to see to it because I'm going to train you in such a way that actually happens. And I couldn't see it in the beginning. I was like, I've never made $100,000 before speaking.
Yeah.
And one time, I mean, in a year maybe, but not in one actual speaking engagement. And I began to listen to the words you said, and I began to believe the words you said, and apply the principles of what you told me, and it happened. I mean, it actually happened.
And
I was so excited.
And it's easy, wasn't it?
The hard part was believing it.
Okay, now that's a good point. Because getting on stage and speaking for an hour, hour and a half, and doing 6 figures actually is very easy if you believe you physically can do it. That's right. And it's so much more. And people hear that and they're like, oh, believe. No, it is mentally role playing it, visualizing, seeing it. Other people do it every single day. Why can't I do it? So if one human being can do it, then anybody can do it. Yeah. Your brain travels at 268 miles per hour. That's a Bugatti Veyron in your brain flying millimeters flat out. But we get these blocks like, well, someone else can do it. I can't do it. No, if any human being can do one thing, then it can be duplicated. I call it the BBB, the business behind the business. Yeah. So when I got into being a professional speaker, I would do good, 10, 20, 25 grand at a speech. And for an hour and a half, that's a lot of money. I won't deny that. But when I started really studying it and mastering and getting the business behind the business, doing 6 figures on an hour and a half is nothing to me now. I get disappointed if I don't do that. Wow. And it's simple because you have to know the business behind the business, how to structure it, how to make it happen, how to pull it off. And if you do that, you can do it actually every single time. Woody, one of the things I do, I was given a commission to build my life, faith, family, fitness, and finances. And one of the things that I want to ask you
is when you build one area of your life, how does that affect the other areas?
Oh, it's a total chemical reaction. It's a domino effect. In fact, I'm thinking of one client right now that you and I both share. He'll be coaching with you in the morning. He'll come to my office, like, oh, Ron taught me this, Ron taught me that. And people hire you for the body, but you too, faith, family, fitness, finances, you change every area of their life. I've seen his entire life change. In fact, I would like it if you'd coach all my people first and make my job a lot easier, because you get through all the hard stuff and then I get into the business strategy. No, but it's true, where you increase one area, it's a domino effect. They all raise, they all get elevated, they all get better. And I think it's also that internal motivation where you feel like you're changing one area. Oh, I can change this area and that area. I can be a better father, I can be a better entrepreneur, I can be better with my body, my mind, and my spirit. And yeah, I think they all go together.
Wow. Well, that is awesome. And Woody, I have really enjoyed this conversation, but I'd like to show you something that's out in my car.
All right.
Would you walk out to the car with me?
Absolutely, let's go.
Let's do it. Man, I love your house, I love your home, I love coming over here.
I appreciate it, man. I love masterminding with it. Thanks for coming on.
It's so warm, and definitely love your car.
That was a fun one. That's a fun one.
Well, what about this one?
This one's fast. This one's fast. I like that one too.
Fast and fun.
Fast and fun.
Awesome, awesome. Well, one thing I wanted to say, Woody, is I got you this shirt. This is a shirt that...
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
You can't purchase this shirt, but it says, I am a champion, and that's what I think you are. You are
oh my gosh, man.
a real champion. Not just in coaching, but I think in every area of your life. Faith, family, fitness, and finance.
So now you got it a size smaller than I am. Does that mean I have to hire you again to lose the weight I need to lose to fit? Is that how you get more clients, man?
You know what?
I love it. That's awesome.
Okay.
That is awesome.
But we're not done, though. We're not done. I remember when I received my first Mr. Olympia award. They put this medal around my neck, Woody, and it felt so awesome that they recognized me as Mr. Olympia and a champion. So, I'm going to do the same thing to you.
What? No.
Induct you into the Champion Life Hall of Fame.
Oh my gosh, man.
And read the back of it.
Woody Woodward, Champion Coach of the Year.
Champion Coach
you're the
of
best,
the Year.
Man. Now I can tell my kids I'm finally cool. Like,
yeah.
Ron gave me this, I'm cool.
But that's going to be on our Champion Life website also, where I want the world to recognize you for the Coach of the Year.
Oh man, thank you.
But we're not done.
$100,000 check?
Close. I know how much you love your family.
Yeah.
So I got you and your wife a gift card for dinner.
Oh my gosh, you didn't have to do
But
that.
I didn't get just one.
Oh, what? What? Stop. Stop.
So you can take your family, because I know how important your family is to you. So
It's everything.
I just want you to know how much we love you and appreciate you, and you're the best.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Thank you so much. That was so kind of you, seriously. Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. And this, thank you.
Until next time, Woody, we'll talk to you soon.
Sounds good, brother.
All right.
See you, man.
What you want, what you want.